There, Robbie. You hungry?
Quite a set of pipes on that one.
Yeah. He sounds just like...
The master. He sounds just like the master did when he was little.
Attention, shoppers! Blanket pulls out a manic depressive downslide.
Rob, pop a bottle in the microwave, will ya?
Hear that, fellas? In the house 10 seconds, and who does she need? Some old windbag? A dim bulb by which to read Dr. Spock? A piece of singed white bread? Please, a blast from the past? A quick cuddle? No, siree. She doesn't need any of you. What she needs is a hot one, and no waiting.
Wow, you're fast.
Hold your applause until you've seen me do a baked potato.